Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I wanted to come quickly to say thank you guys so much for all your support within the years. It's a new year. I just wanted to come and say a massive thank you guys and wish you guys a happy new year. I wouldn't, my channel wouldn't be where it is today without you guys. So to all my subscribers, all the new, thank you so much. God bless you. Really appreciate your support on my channel. Thank you so much. You guys have been really amazing and supportive and helping me to grow. I just want to say continue to support me while we embark on this journey together. I've got so many nice things to post up, but I didn't want to do it this year without coming on to first of all say a massive thank you for everything that you guys have really helped me achieve. My channel is growing, which is really all down to you guys, so a massive thank you. Have a lovely year ahead and may all your prayers be answered and get up to something great this year. Thank you and God bless you guys. I'll see you guys soon in the next video when I post up this hair that I've just done not long ago. But other than that, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. God bless you. Bye guys.